The redback fairy wren is part of the Australian wren family. They are mostly found near rivers and coastal areas along the eastern and northern coastlines of Australia. Generally a brownish bird, however in breeding season, the adult male usually adopts a beautiful striking plumage, with a black head, upper parts and tail, with a brightly coloured red back. The male is also known to pluck red petals and display them to females as part of courtship. The redback fairy wren mainly eats insects and supplements its diets with seeds from flowers and fruit. The redback fairy wren is the smallest member of the wren family, measuring approximately 11.5 centimetres in length and weighs only between 5 to 10 grams. Thank you for watching this film on redback fairy wrens. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and it'd also be great if you could subscribe to the YouTube Wildlife Up Close channel.